Good morning to our dear audiences. This is our project on engineering drawings and plans. I shall be presenting you a video tackling geometric lines and construction. So sit back, relax, and enjoy what we're gonna show you. Simply put the compass on one end of the line. Choose any radius that is more than half of the line. Create an arc. Do the same thing on the other side. Connect the points of intersection. Transferring a line. Use the compass as a measuring tool and get the length of the line as a radius. Simply transfer the radius on the other line and erase the excess length if there is any. Creating a perpendicular line given a point. Use the point as the center of the compass. You then use the radius in the compass greater than the point's distance to the line. Use the 2 points of intersection as 2 endpoints. Simply bisect the line between the new endpoints. Parallel line given a point. Using the point as the center of the compass, once again, use a radius greater than the distance of the line and point. Create an arc. With the same radius, use one of the intersection to create an arc passing or touching both the point and the line. Measure the distance of both points. Using previously chosen point, create an arc that passes through the first arc. Connect the intersection and the original point to create the parallel line. Important note: you can only divide segments by bisecting if the number of segments is equal to a product of 2 raised to n, example 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on and so forth. Otherwise, dividing the line into n segments by means of making parallel lines. Dividing a line into n segments. In this case, we will divide the line into 3 segments. Using a set square, use 30 degrees or 45 degrees to create another line. With any length of the compass, divide the line into 3 segments. Connect the final segment with the other endpoint of the original line to create a triangle. Using the made segments as point, do the steps in creating a parallel line from a given point. Once you made one parallel line, repeat the steps to create the others. Transferring an angle. Using the compass as a measuring tool, get the length of one arm of the angle. Transfer it to the desired area. Using any radius in the same vertex and center, create an arc that passes through both arms of the angle. Do the same thing on the other line. Measure the distance between the intersections of the arc. On the other line's opposite endpoint, create an arc that intersects the previous arc using the previous radius. Connect the vertex and the intersection to create the same angle. Bisecting an angle. Using any convenient radius, create an arc from the vertex. Using the two intersections as new vertices, create arcs that will intersect each other with same radius as well. Connect the original vertex to the point of intersection to bisect the angle. Dividing an angle into n segments. Here, we will use 4, which is square of 2. At a convenient length, create an arc that intersects both arms. Connect the points of intersection to make a line. You then divide the line into n segments. Since these 4 segments is a product of 2, you can simply bisect this line 3 times to get 4 segments. Lastly, connect the vertex with the points between the divided line.